Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing for you today and I'm really excited about these two items. One is from Christian Louboutin and the other one is from Hermes, but they're probably not what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, oh, she got a new bag and a new pair of shoes, but I didn't. But I did get some really beautiful items and I'm excited to show them to you, so I'll just get right into it. Okay, the first item that I have for you today is an actual unboxing. It just came in the mail today. I've been waiting for it. I'm so excited. And it is in this bubble wrap right here. So this is a pre-owned item from Hermes. This is something that I wanted for a while and I just really never got around to buying. I don't have an Hermes store anywhere near me. It's like 2 hours to the closest one, and so I just never really get the opportunity to go in there and browse and look at things. But I've always wanted a bracelet from Hermes, and that's what is in here. So this is the first time I've seen it. This was something that I was shopping around for and I spotted, I think it was on Tradesy that I bought this from. And I was really excited because it looked to be in really good condition. So if you're familiar with these enamel bracelets, you probably know that they come in all sorts of beautiful patterns and colors. Oh, love it. Oh my gosh. It's gorgeous. So here it is right here. You can see I got the wide one and it was listed in very good condition with just a little bit of nicks on the side, which is probably pretty normal wear because these bangles do have a tendency to bang on things. But I loved it for the pattern. I thought the pattern was absolutely beautiful, and you could see that it's mostly gray with some purple, white, and like a pinkish reddish color. And I thought it would go so well with so many things in my wardrobe. In fact, I'm wearing gray today. This is a sweater that I just got from the Nordstrom sale, and I'm so excited. I had to put it on as soon as I got it. It's a really cool day here today, so I was real excited with this, and you could see that this is going to go really great. So my biggest worry with this is that it's either going to be difficult to get on my hand or else it's going to be too big for my wrist because I do have a small wrist. So let's just see how this works out. Oh, no. Not a problem at all. Okay, so you squish your hand down and you just put it over your wrist, and it does not look like it's going to fall off at all. That was another thing I was worried about. I know these bangles that don't have any hinges or anything do have to be larger so that you can get your hand in it, but then at the same time sometimes they're so big that they will flop down and fall off your hand. But this does not look to be in any danger of falling off my hand, and it really is beautiful. So now the biggest danger, of course, is that I'm probably going to want another one because this is my very first one and I've always admired them. They come in so many different colors. They come in gold plating and palladium plating and all of these different patterns and colors, and you know, so anybody's taste is really going to be met by any one of these beautiful bracelets. They also do come in solid colors as well, so I think that goes pretty nicely with my brand new gray sweater, and I'm really excited about that. So that's it, my very first Hermes bangle. It's probably not going to be my last. Okay, my next unboxing is from Christian Louboutin, and this is, like I said, not shoes. It is actually a makeup item. So it did come in this box right here. I did already open this one because I was too excited to wait. I got it a couple days ago and I really wanted to see it, but I also wanted to show you guys the fabulous packaging. So the website that I got this from is called Olivella. I'm not sure if you're familiar with it. It was brand new to me, but it's a fabulous website. They give 20% back, I think, to charities. So they sell all these beautiful luxury items, but you're also giving back. And that's what I really liked about them. Plus they had a 10% discount for a new buyer, which is why I went with them. And let me show you what I got. So this is the item right here. It came in this little tissue paper, and then you open it up and there it is. Isn't this unbelievable? You probably know what it is. It is actually a lipstick, but oh my god, the presentation is absolutely unbelievable. I have never seen a lipstick case like this in my life. I almost died when I saw it. It is so gorgeous and so luxurious looking, and look, it even comes on a ribbon, and you can wear the ribbon around your neck. So you can pull this out like so. Oh, and there is a little dust bag in there as well. So if you want to keep your little case in a little dust bag, you can do that. Of course, it is in Louboutin red right here. Now here's the weird thing. I did not get the red. I know, you're probably thinking, why not? But I normally don't wear red lipstick that frequently. I actually tend to go towards pinks, so I decided if I was going to spend this kind of money on a fabulous, fabulous lipstick, I wanted to make sure I got my wear from it. So I went ahead with this pink that I'm wearing right here. So I'll open it up for you. And then I think this one's called Bengali, and it's sort of a berry pink, which is right up my alley. I love these colors and I do tend to gravitate towards them. So the Louboutin lipstick, very, very expensive if you're familiar with them. They do come in a couple different beautiful types of packaging. There are black cases with little silvery crowns, and then there's the gold ones right here. They have a couple different formulas as well. There's matte, there's satin, and then there's also a sheer voile. So this is the satin, which is my preferred, and I've put it on. I've worn it already once before, and I was very, very impressed with it. I really can't believe how creamy it is and how long lasting it is too. I did notice that as the day was going by and the lipstick was wearing, that instead of getting those funny little cakey marks that you get, this one just sort of faded away into a beautiful stain, and it was leaving my lips stained, and I felt like that was the perfect solution for when your lipstick starts to wear away. I was really, really impressed with it, and I do know that the lipstick itself does rate very highly. A lot of people love the actual lipstick, not just the case. So I guess you can wear this around your neck if you wanted to, and I don't know if I would, but I can just imagine taking this out of my makeup case and putting it on at the dinner table or something. Quite an impression it would make on people, but I absolutely love it. I love lipstick anyway, so for me to get the most luxurious lipstick, I mean, aside from the Guerlain or whatever, you know, the ones that come in the gold cases with the diamonds on them, but this is really like top of the line lipstick, and it's just stunning. Okay, I do want to show you a couple other things about this lipstick. Number one is that when you order from Olivella, they send you a couple samples, so I got up to 3 samples, and these are not your little foil packets that you get from Sephora. I love Sephora, I really do. But when I saw these samples, I was blown away. Look at this one right here. This is a gel eyeliner, and it actually is looks like something that you would have purchased in the store. Like, that's about as much as you would get in a regular eyeliner. So it's a black gel eyeliner. I have not tried that yet. I'm not really great with eyeliner, so I'm going to have to practice. Then this one right here, in this little tiny bottle, it came wrapped in this tissue paper like this, is a serum. This is BioEffect BGF serum. Again, it comes in this little dropper bottle and everything. Couldn't be cuter. And then the last thing I had to try was the Louboutin Rouge. And I figured I'm going to get the pink, but I want to try the red just to see how the red is. I'm fussy about my reds. I don't like them to be too orangey or too pinky. And I think this one might work out, but I did get the sample of the Rouge Louboutin, and if I really like it, I'm probably going to go ahead and buy it because I absolutely love this. This is the craziest, most luxurious lipstick I've ever seen in my life. So you should definitely check it out, especially if you're a lipstick nut like me. So that is it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you weren't too disappointed that it wasn't a bag and shoes, but still fun items, and I had a lot of fun unboxing them for you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me comments or questions in the comments section below. Give me a thumbs up if you do like the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next video. Take care.